PPP funding. We got some good news. My name is Quentin Banks. If you're new to the channel, you guys already know what to do, but let's get right into this. Somebody has sent me their screenshot stating that they were funded, and this is the second draw. Now, I know a lot of people were still waiting for the first draw, and now you got people actually getting funded on the second one. So in the end, it looks like it's a win-win situation. You know what I mean? You can't really, there's no denying that, right? So it looks like it's a win-win situation for this person, this member of my channel. They sent me screenshots, and like I always say, I appreciate everybody who send me screenshots, who let me keep me updated, who lets me know what's going on, all that good stuff, right? Now, as we talked about as well in my previous videos, we talked about Cash App. Now we're talking about the second draw, and this person actually sent me a screenshot, and let's go ahead and get over to the screenshot. They began to say, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Wayne Gretzky. Very, very, very true. Very, very, very true. They began to show me their $20,833. This looks like this is coming from the PPP loan. And overall balance is the same as well. So that's a win-win situation for them. Because I know a lot of people was questioning it. A lot of people was asking me, yo, Quentin, is this real? Are they still going to be funding the second draw? Exactly what's going on, and it does show and it does state that they will be doing that, you know, but everybody is different. You know, I appreciate people who actually keep me updated, because you guys keep me updated with real-time you know what I mean, real-time updates. You know, you guys send me a screenshot, so it does show that they are that they're funding, you know, they're funding the second draw. Now, let's read some of these comments. Also, let me know in the comment section where you guys stand, because I know it's a lot. Trust me, I know it's a lot going on, especially at this day and age. There is a lot going on, but I totally understand. Let me know in the comment section where you guys stand. Somebody said, been seeing your posts for a little minute now, bruh. Congrats. It's about time. No cap, no cap. Yeah, going to jail. LOL. Jail, you must have zero knowledge on how this works. Okay. They're just talking about a bunch of nothing. Nothing, dude. Congrats. Enjoy it while you can. They said you've been on here forever. Okay, whatever. At the end of the day, it's just congratulations, because we all know people have been waiting on their first draw. Literally, people have been waiting on their first draw. You know, literally. And this person is getting their second draw. So let me know in the comment section, are you still waiting for the first? Did your second draw get closed? Exactly what's going on, because I know a lot of people's second draw ended. You know, people was telling me it said it ended. So, you know, that's not a good look, but in the same sense, people are getting funded, you know, and that's just what I want to bring to you guys, and show that you guys that people are still getting funded in their second draw, and let alone people are still getting funded on their first draw. You know what I mean? So that's good. Let's read some more comments. Hey, I'm glad to see people getting funded. I know it's difficult to trust that it's coming and to be patient, but I promise you, don't obsess over it. The more you exercise patience and faith, the more law of attraction will absolutely work for you. I am still patiently waiting, and I agree with that. You know, I did another video where somebody just completely forgot about it, right? Or they just never minded, and that's when they ended up getting funded. So sometimes that's the best thing to do, is just, you know what, I'm going to back. I'm going to just let God take the wheel. I'm going to sit back, and then that's when they got funded, you know. So it's good to see those results from people that's actually been getting funded. Also, you guys know I try to keep everybody updated with real-time updates as well. So the sooner the better, as far as sending all that information through. I know a lot of people were still waiting to get funded, whether you got to send over identification, paperwork. I totally understand all about that. Trust and believe that. I totally understand. Somebody said, I tried checking my status and it doesn't let me anymore, and I'm supposed to be receiving my second draw within days. Somebody said, help me out, please. I got something for you, high balance. Did your second draw say PPP has ended? They said no. Did you receive the first draw also? Yep. They said I got my first draw in April. You had to sign for the second like we did the first one. They said, yeah, I signed that May 8th and been waiting. So this person has been waiting a little bit over a month. They said, what's the name of the bank? Novo. I never heard of that bank before. If you have Novo, let me know. You know, if you got Novo, let me know. That way I can keep you guys updated with that as well. Novo Bank. I haven't heard of that bank. Borrower funded. Congratulations. I was funded this morning too. I feel so special. Stress taken off of me. Be patient, everyone. Your time is coming. Somebody said, well, you're lucky. I got a message saying PPP has ended. Now my application can't move forward unless Congress approves more money for the program. Now, we talked about that as well, but it does look like things have been changing when it comes to those funds. You know, it seems like those funds have been made available. You know, before they were stating that you had to talk to, you had to send an email to President Biden, to his Senate, and get signatures and all that stuff, but it does look like people have been getting funded. Somebody said, can someone explain to me how to apply for PPP forgiveness, please? I'm on my 10 weeks already, got the form already, WOMPLY/harvest. I don't know where to send it. Thanks in advance. Somebody said my second draw said WOMPLY processing. Now it says PPP ended. I never got it. Somebody said mine had harvest, then disappeared. It's still in the second review, and it looks like there's a spelling error in my name, but my identity is verified. What should I do? Somebody said mine shows PPP ended. Any hope? Can I reapply for a second draw? I got paid for my first. So it does look like, even though people have been receiving, the PPP has ended, it does look like people are still receiving all of their funds. You know, somehow it does look like people have been receiving those funds. Somebody said you can, but it's not going anywhere. The deadline was May 31st. On March 30th, 2021, President Biden signed the PPP Extension Act of 2021 into law, extending the Paycheck Protection Program from March 31st, 2021 to June 30th, 2021. However, the SBA may not accept new lender applications for the first draw or second draw PPP loans submitted after May 31st. It should be noted that Monday, May 31st, is Memorial Day. The last business day before the application is Friday, March 28th. The SBA will then have until June 30th to process and approve applications submitted by the application deadline. So they will have time to extend those as well. So guys, let me know in the comment section. I'll keep this up there, hopefully to give you guys some hope, to give you guys some motivation or something, something good. That way, you know what I mean? That way you guys can see that people are getting funded in this second draw. Let me know in the comment section where you guys stand. Once again, my name is QUiNTiN Banks. Stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. Finally funded, Bensworth. My name is QUiNTiN Banks. Let's get right into this. I know a lot of you guys have asked me about Chime, about Bensworth, WOMPLY, Blue Acorn. Hopefully this update will actually bring some light and some positivity to your morning. If you are new to the channel, make sure you guys like and subscribe, because a lot of people are asking me, well, what's the best way to keep updated with your updates? The best way is actually subscribing and then also turning post notifications on. That way you are in tune with the latest and greatest information, guys. Now, I'm going to make this sweet, simple, short for you guys, because a lot of people's asking me about this fund. This thing about getting funded, and about Bensworth, and that Bensworth actually stopped funding, the Capital Plus stopped funding, like exactly what's going on. So hopefully this will actually bring some insight and some light to you guys, and hopefully some positivity, and just remain positive, because just know that this whole funding thing, it is complicated. Trust me, I know it is. It's definitely complicated, but people are getting funded, you know, so keep that in mind as well. People are getting funded, and also people are getting their funds as early as this morning. So if you are waiting on your funds, maybe try waking up in the morning. This morning, check your account. If not, you can go ahead and check your account tonight. But it does look like, as we said, it does look like people have been getting updated. Now, if you are new to the channel, of course, make sure you drop your comments below. Let me know exactly how you guys feel about this. And actually,